Now, almost 200 people are feared dead in Malawi and Mozambique as Cyclone Freddy battered southern Africa for a second time. Excuse me. The storm was formed near Australia and travelled west and hit the coast of Africa. It set new records for longevity after raging for more than 35 days. And it's also re-intensified 7 times after weakening, another first. Our science correspondent Martin Stew has more.
Ordinary homes stood no chance in the face of Freddy's extraordinary force. In just a couple of days, this storm has drenched much of Mozambique and Malawi in the same amount of rain London sees in a whole year. At least 200 people have died. There are fears floods will worsen a cholera outbreak, which is already the deadliest in Malawi's history.
We are conveying the dead bodies whenever we have found them to Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital mortuary, of which is currently now full.
Tropical storms usually last around a week. Freddy's journey of destruction began more than a month ago. A 200-kilometre wide Category 5 storm crossing the Indian Ocean before slamming into Madagascar, leaving thousands without shelter.
Our house was protected, but it was still destroyed.
Storms often die over land, but Freddy was re-energised by the Mozambique Channel, hitting mainland Africa not once, but twice. Not only is Freddy the longest-running tropical storm, it's also churned out the most energy. Now, storms are given what's called an ACE score, which stands for Accumulated Cyclone Energy. The previous record of 85 was set by Aoki in 2006. Freddy passed the score of 86 at the weekend, and to put that into some sort of context, that's more energy than is generated by all the storms combined within the entire average year's Atlantic hurricane season. A phenomenon fuelled by our changing climate.
The cyclone draws moisture from the warm ocean, and that maintains its strength. 50 years ago, the water would have been maybe 1 degree colder, so the cyclone would not probably have been as strong as it has been.
Freddy is now forecast to weaken, but its legacy will live on. Martin Stew, ITV News.